Hello, I'm Noel Ramos for Los Angeles Property Management Group. If you're a smart investor, you're always looking for ways to take your property management to the next level. So let's talk about mastering the maintenance of your rental property. LAPMG provides excellence of service to ensure our in-house maintenance team always delivers the best possible management experience. Having vetted technicians ready to deploy at any moment, we can guarantee the highest caliber repairs and preventative maintenance at market prices or lower. Our industry-leading management services are the result of strictly adhering to 5 basic practices. You can use these principles to evaluate your current maintenance program. Number 1, do it right the first time. A management company's callback rate tracks how often they have to send their team back to a property to redo a repair they already performed. At LAPMG, our callback rate is almost 0 because of clear communication beforehand. Our technicians know exactly what needs to be done before they arrive on site, preparing them to do it right the first time. Number 2, document everything. Our customers' tenants file maintenance requests through LAPMG's online portal in detail. Instead of just reporting a leak, we ask that they specify what's leaking and what they think is causing it. We ask the tenant to take photos so our technicians are equipped for the job before arriving. Our repair team will also take multiple photos of the issue before and after repairs. Our clients want to know what they're paying for, and the more transparency we can offer them, the better. Documented repairs mean higher quality maintenance. Number 3, seek the real truth. Using feedback from residents, we can actively monitor how courteous our technicians are when they interact with tenants, and how efficient they are from the time they arrive till the end of the job. We ask the tenant to complete a survey after every repair we make. The responses we receive help us identify the stars of our team and also let us know where we can improve. Seeking feedback helps to keep our services at the top of the industry. Number 4, carry a contractor's license. California law requires a general contractor license for work estimated at $500 or more. Unlike many other companies, LAPMG holds a contractor's license that guarantees our work is always compliant with all applicable regulations. Licensed maintenance and repairs mean peace of mind for the property owner. Number 5, earn certifications from manufacturers. LAPMG is certified by Polyglass, the brand of silicone coating used to weatherproof flat roofs. This type of certification is rarely awarded and demonstrates the trusted skill of our maintenance team. Major manufacturers are willing to certify the quality of our service. I hope these principles will help you determine the quality and efficiency of your current maintenance program. If you are looking for the best way to take your property management to the next level, remember, mastering the art of property maintenance for our clients is one more way we make sure excellent property management doesn't cost, it pays. To learn more, call Los Angeles Property Management Group today.